Cut then update yung sa IG story ni Miss Annette Goson. May picture sila ni Alden. Yung bumisita si Alden dyan sa GMA Network Center. Ayun, hello Ethan, hello Eduardo. Wow, dalawa pangalan ni Alden. And abangan si Alden mamaya. And 8 p.m. for Casino Plus PH. And color your dream, color your life. And in the server. And Alden Richard in the house. Let's go. At pabate ng Sparkle GMA para kay Alden. Happy 14th anniversary, Alden Richard, pati Myriad Entertainment ni Alden. Yan sa post ni Nate, yan nag-picture taking pa nga ang Katen kasama si Mami Min. Nasa gitna si Mami Min ng Katen, no? Yan sila Alden, Katin at Mami Min, yun, no? Diyan sa likod ng Kismar Street, diyan sa Dubai. Yun, no?
Jack and Boy. You first.
Yan, describe your friendship.
Sincere, deep, and long term.
Two words in long.
Long. Dali ka usap. Long po.
Long po.
Long po.
Sa amin, I think it's very genuine. It's easy. Very easy. Nothing forced. And I think it's deep. It's very deep. Yeah.
Yun. Ito pa yung gwapo ng model ng bench, Alden Richard yan. Nasa bench to. Saka si Eduardo de la Cruz ng Pulang Araw. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.